Hey, Marty Sear here today at Custom Empire with this incredible example of a 56 Chevy Bel Air that we've been building. This is a Restomod, so it has a lot of serious body work done and things that are not done on a normal car. We did mini tubs. This one has a custom firewall built to house this 572 crate motor. We had to fabricate a rad support. It's all been custom wired and plumbed. Big modern brakes, big modern wheels, pretty much all the cool stuff you do on these cars. So these cars, it really depends on a lot of factors, how long they take to build. Most of these parts are readily available, so it's not too hard to get parts, but we're always dealing with other shops as we do mechanical and interior, and these cars we have to move around to different places as they're getting built. And we like to think that they can be done in a year. Sometimes they take longer than that. But we have done some Restomods that we've done in 6 months. Not quite at this level, but they can be done.